Yo, what's up, yo? Welcome back to another crash video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to sound like lazerdim 700. I covered this song Lace Max, which is like one of his most recent songs that have been blowing up. And yeah, I'm gonna just play the beginning of the song so y'all can hear the preset.
When we get done, they gon' play this back. I thought Fasha wanted me, but she wanted Max. I could kick my feet up now, I can really relax. She gon' fuck that game for free, we ain't gotta pull out stacks. And my drip be out your league, I just put on black. And I'm really drunk, I could catch a vibe. If she ain't gon' fuck, she can step aside. Man, hit the blunt 2 times, now he hella high. I ain't gon' lie, peer pressure him, just a little. Every time I want message you, I just pull up on you. Anytime you can push up on me, so tell him what you gon' do. Why the hell you going to Trump? Why you fine on you? Why let messing with me drunk? I don't even drink. Is you really with me? I should've had to thank. Snake at everybody.
Alright, so shit, like it's really just simple, bro. Like you just get the preset, drag it in, bro. Like I try to make it as close to the actual song that they use in the stream and all that. And yeah, the recording preset is nothing on it. Just fucking input 1, post track, make sure you're recording, and then bro, just start rapping. You know what I mean? And just put the preset on, and then just if you want to hear yourself, drag it, put the route like this. Hear yourself, whatever, you know what I mean? If you don't, then turn it off. Don't do that. And yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna turn off the preset so you can hear it.
Snake at everybody, we like what you gang. She thinks she get steakhouse, she get rich in canes. It's hard for me to fall in love, I'm like major pain. I hear signs look above, I see nothing but rain. Flutters us, I got me geek, got me on my brain. She tryna act like she no freak, front shit at the lane. Now we sliding, slamming deep, better get out the way. I go viral every week, they just like my face. I got blue honeys on me, I'm at max space. I'm trapped in with that Twitch, this ain't my space. This a Airbnb, this ain't my place. I do shows every week, every Friday.
And shit, bro, that's it. This preset's all stock. It don't even got auto tune, no OTT, whatever. Like we be doing is just drag and drop, and that's it, bro. This is gonna be the most simple preset you're probably gonna see on the channel. And yeah, like if you need any help, I'm gonna put OTT and the auto tune in the pack, so y'all just have it. I'm gonna put a master preset as well, and I'm gonna put the FOP up if you wanna. I don't know if you want the FOP. And yeah, if y'all need any help with anything, if you need mixing, if you need like personal mixing, just hit me up on Instagram, whatever you need, and I got you, bro. Just let me know, bro. And yeah, that's all for today. And yeah, peace out, bro. Take care.